Hey everybody, Real World Prepper, and it's a Sunday, and I don't know, I just thought I'd drop in. We were out just enjoying the day. We've enjoyed the weekend. I got a lot of work done, repaired a spot in my driveway where actually, if you look earlier in this video on my path out, you can see the driveway, a couple of railroad ties that I put in place to keep it from washing out. It had started washing out. Did that and fixed the four-wheeler today. The ignition switch was burned. I may impose a picture, maybe not, but if you take this panel off and the switch and the pigtail, it goes down to the wiring harness. It was burned. One of the leads was burned. It wouldn't start, wouldn't even power up at all. So we didn't know what was going on until I got a chance to start fiddling with it. And I'm no mechanic by any means, but figured this one out. Cut the ends of it off and bought some of those little crimp-on, the female ends that go over a flat male spade, and made it work. So we're back in business, and fixed little RWP's go-kart, which there was a sheared axle bolt just from riding it rough like little RWP does. And so got that fixed, and just tending to some things around here. Hadn't really gotten any work done. The kid had a friend sleep over last night, and so they've been just playing yesterday and today, and I had borrowed a trailer and had hauled some scrap out of here also, and so I carried that back, and so just lots of things. There's just things going on the homestead, on the home front. And I don't know, I just felt like sharing it with you guys. So just to show you around a little bit out here in my woods, my house is actually from where we are. Where's my house? I think it's that way. I think maybe, yeah, it's that way. But I haven't gotten out in these woods enough to get completely familiar with them. We have been in them a good bit, but I haven't explored fully all of this stuff. I know me and the little one are going to do some primitive camping by the kids' request, so that'll come up here pretty soon. We may record some of that, I'm not sure, but that's it. I just wanted to drop in and say hi. I hope you guys this weekend is going well. Mine is going very well so far, and of course it's not much of it left, right? And then back to the grind. So I suppose that is all that I've got, a Real World Prepper, and let's see if we can get out of here on the four-wheeler. Oh. Down here. Row. I think we got it figured out now. Show y'all something. Hope I can do it one-handed. Oh yeah. hairy one-handed. Two-handed, I could have balled up that hill and cleared it. One-handed, proved a little more difficult. There's the old pond. So anyway, that's all I got today, Real World Prepper. Just a little hello, how you doing? How's your weekend? Hope it was well. Mine was good. See you next time, Real World Prepper.